Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Neko Jewelry. So today we would be discussing GST registration. So I did my registration by myself. So I'll be taking you step by step how to register. So we have made your GST registration very easy. All the steps would be included in this video. Your documents required for the GST registration, what to do if your registration gets a clarification letter or additional query, and what is the solution for GST rejection. Our goal is to help you with your registration so you don't have to pay an hefty amount to the agents for your registration as it is a very simple process. First of all, you have to go to the GST Council website, that is www.gst.gov.in, and then click for new registration. After you do that, you'll get a registration page as this, wherein you have to click new registration. Then there will be drop down menus for the same. So first would be I am a taxpayer, and state would be whichever state you are applying from, then your district, the legal name of your business, whatever name you want to give, or if you are doing it on your name, so please put your personal PAN name, the name on your PAN card, then put your PAN card number, then email address and mobile number. One more thing I want to tell you is you might get an error if you put a PAN card name and it doesn't match with your PAN card name on your card. It might be different on the PAN card website and it might be different on the card because mine was different. So if there is a discrepancy, then you might get an error. So if you get an error, don't panic. Just go on the income tax website and check your name on it and paste the same name here. So the error will go. After that, you'll get a OTP verification on your email address and mobile number, which you have already submitted. After that, you will get a temporary reference number through which you can access the GST portal, your own application. Let's So when you enter your TRN number and login, you'll get this page on the dashboard. You have to click the action button, which is the blue one with the pencil on it. So this is the login page which I was talking about. You need to fill in your TRN number, CAPTCHA, and you'll get a OTP verification. Post that, you'll get this form. When you click on that pencil, the blue pencil box, action box, which I told you. So this is the first page of the application. There first would be business details. The legal name of the business and the PAN number which you filled would be automatically generated here. Then you have to put your trade name, whichever you have decided your trade name to be, or else whichever you already have. Then constitution of business. Is it a sole proprietary business or is it a partnership firm? That you need to specify here. Then name of your state, district. Okay. Then reason to obtain registration, like your threshold is above the limit, or you want to voluntarily apply for GST registration. Then you need to put the date of commencement of your business. If you're starting with the GST registration, then put the date of like 2-3 days before. Or if you have a MSME certificate or a trademark certificate, put the date from those certificates. Then, if you have any existing registrations, then you need to add in the details down here. Let's go to the next slide. Then the next slide is of personal information, wherein you have to put in your name, your middle name, your last name, then your father's details, your date of birth, mobile number, email address, gender, then identity information like you are the proprietor or chairman or whatever it is, your designation in the company, then residential address where you're staying, then documents you need to upload to, you know, documents I'll let you know in the later phase. Here you need to upload your photograph. So either you can take your photograph or you can upload it. So let's go to the next slide. Then there is authorized signatory. So there can be two signatory or one signatory. If you're a sole proprietor, you would be the signatory. You have to fill the same details which you filled in the last form, like the basic details: name, middle name, last name, your father's name, your date of birth, residential address, and so on. So let's not waste time. Let's go to the other slide. Next would be details of principal place of business. So the form is changed a little bit on the website right now. You would be having a map there, okay? So don't panic. Just you can you know you can move the cursor and pinpoint the place like we do for our GPS or Google Maps, and put in your address, put in your details. That's it. Then this would be your principal place of business. You should have documents required, of this place, either ownership or rental, whatever it is. Then the second phase is nature of possession of premises. Is it your own premise, or is it owned by your parents, or such thing, or are you taking it on rental basis? Then nature of activity being carried out there. Is it a warehouse, factory, you know, import, export? So according to your business, you can choose the option. Then after that, there would be state specific information. If you're already registered in PT, that is professional tax, then you need to put your number there with your registration certificate. And you also, if you're putting these numbers, licenses here, then you will also be needed to upload these licenses in the document section. And let's go to the next. There, yeah, you go now. HSN is compulsory. So, what HSN you are using? Like here, it is given 5208 for woven fabrics and cotton. Then there is 7779, I think, if I'm not mistaken, for imitation jewelry. You can check these on the you can check it on the Google. You put the HSN code and you'll get it. Or you can search by name, whatever your product is, just put your product name like jewelry or imitation jewelry or apparels or something else. It will give you the HSN code for it. I think you can put maximum five HSN codes. Let's go further. Then there would be an Aadhaar authentication. So I'll suggest that your Aadhaar should be connected to your mobile number. So if you have two partners, then both partners need to authenticate it. Okay. So you need to check this box, the green box as yes, and do save and continue. After that, you'll get a last page of verification wherein you'll get your authorized signatory name, place, designation, date, and just to submit with EVC. With EVC, you'll get a OTP on your number. You put the OTP and you can submit the application. If you do submit with the DSC, you will require a digital signature for it. If you have a digital signature, then you can go for that option as well. So documents required: business documents, that is your registration certificate, your shop and establishment license, or your MSME certificate, whichever you have. Or if it is a sole proprietor, then you need the proprietor's Aadhaar card and PAN card. Then property documents. If the property is owned by the sole proprietor, then it will just require the basic address proof, like a passport or your document registration document. sorry, the registration document, I think it is called, I don't remember, it is some number, wherein in that particular page, all your uh, all your information is there. Then, if it is not on your name, then you need the consent letter from the property owners and identity proof and relationship proof of the owners. If they are your parents or your uncles and aunts, then you'll require the relationship proof. If there is no relationship, then the rental agreement with the consent letter um, from your owner, those would be required. Now let's see, if you what if you get a clarification letter or additional information letter. So in this letter, they will tell you that number one, this is the documents required as this. You have not submitted this. So by this date, they'll give you a date. I think they give you around 2 weeks to submit the additional information. So one thing you can do is you can call up the GST person, and on this letter, there would be a name given in the signature. So you can pick that name, pick the GST portal, go on the GST portal, you can check the name, and there all the numbers are provided for the GST officers. You can call and ask, what all documents you need to upload. You would be given a letter. It would be given on it that you require this. But some of the documents you might not have. Being a sole proprietor, you won't be having a shop and establishment, or you won't be having a MSME. It might be the first certificate you're applying for as a GST. So that you need to talk to them and ask them that I don't have this, what all you require and what all is not required. One more tip I'll give you: whatever requirement is given in that letter, you have to upload that as well as the previous one which you have already uploaded, because everything is deleted once you get a clarification letter. So all in all, you have to again upload all the documents, like your your Aadhaar card, your consent letter, everything you have to re-upload it again. It's not written on the website. I don't know if it's written, but I'm just telling you according to my own experience. So let's go to the second question. What if your GST applications get rejected? So there's a chance wherein your GST application might get rejected. Mine got rejected. So what you can do is that, don't panic, don't go to an agent. Just visit the GST office. The people there are very nice and cooperative. They'll tell you what is missing and what you need to, how you need to approach it, what you need it for. You need to talk to them. Then they'll tell you what all documents are required. They'll help you out. And then you can reapply with the same procedure which I told you right now. You can reapply. Thank you so much. So thank you. If you have any query, or if you like my video, because I'm just uploading for helping people out, because I also face the same situations. So if you like my videos, please share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much.